Good morning, children. Today we discussed ascending order. Already last class I discussed increasing order. We can say increasing order is nothing but ascending order. So here we discuss ascending order. So ascending ascending order. Ascending order. See, for example, we have one building. These are the steps. These are the steps to reach first floor. So this is the building. See what is happening here. We have to go first step, then move second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. So we are ascending. We are increasing our steps. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So here we are starting from smallest to biggest. Smallest step to biggest step. That means we have to write in ascending order. So smallest number to biggest number, which we have the numbers. From which we have the numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, these 4 we have. These are the one digit numbers. If you want to write ascending order, the solution, answer for this one, ascending order, you have to write like this, ascending order. Then in 4 digits, which is the smallest? First 1. Next, some of the biggest, 2. Next 3. Next 4. So we are increased the number. So we return from smallest number to biggest number. Like this. We are increasing steps. We are going up. We are going up. This is a symbol. Ascending order. We are going the up. That is, we started from smallest to biggest. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, already last class we discussed ascending order in one digit numbers. Today we discuss two digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. Ascending order are 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. See, 2 digit number starts from 1 0. Up to 9 it is 1 digit number. See, 10, 11. Like that we can write 99. 99. See, the 2 digit number starts from 10, ends with, starts from 10, ends with 99. These are the 2 digit numbers. It will come 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 90, 80, 90, 81, 90, 91, 92, 92, up to 9. And after this one, we will have 100. This is the 3 digit number. So today we discuss only ascending order of 2 digit numbers. So first we check it. Ascending order. Question 1. 21, 41, 51, 71, 81. These are the numbers we have. So write in ascending order. Now, which is the smallest here? This 21 is smallest here. So ascending order. Ascending order. Starts from smallest. 21. Next 41. Next 51. Next 71, 81. Already I given in ascending order only. That's why your work is easy here. So I am giving one more question here. 31, 21, 51, 91, 35, 46. So we have 31, 21, 51, 91, 35, 46. So write in ascending order. Write first ascending order spelling. It starts from smallest number here. Which is the smallest here? I think 21 is smallest. Write this one. 21 first. Next 31. Next 35. Next 46. Next 51. Next 91. See, now check it. 21 is the smallest, 91 is the biggest. See here, we written from smallest to biggest. 21, 31, 35, 46, 51. See, this is the increasing. This we are going, if we write like the steps, we are going up. This is the ascending order of 2-digit numbers. I give you one more example for you. One more example for you, that is question 30, 10, 20, 40. See, we have 4 digits here, 2-digit numbers. So write ascending order. Ascending order here. See, which is the smallest here? 10. See, 30, 10, 20, 40. Which is the smallest? 10. So in ascending order, we have to write smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So this is the smallest number. Next 20. Next 30. Next 40. This is the ascending order. So like this, we can do ascending order of 2-digit numbers. See, తెలుగులో అయితే చిన్నది పెద్దది. సో అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ రాయాలంటే చిన్న నుండి పెద్దకు రాయాలి. చిన్న నుండి పెద్ద. సో అర్థం కాకుండా ఇది చూసుకోవచ్చు. చిన్న నెంబర్ నుండి పెద్ద నెంబర్ దాకా రాసుకోవాలి. సో ఈ 4 డిజిట్లలో 10 చిన్నది. నెక్స్ట్ 20. నెక్స్ట్ 30. నెక్స్ట్ 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now I am giving homework for you. Homework. See, first one. 15, 35, 25, 5, so 25 here, 45. So write, heading is write ascending order of following numbers. This is the heading. This is the question 1. While writing the answer, you have to write ascending order like this. Ascending order, full stop, then write the answer like that. Second question, 21, 11, 41, 31. Third one, 71, 81, 21, 41. 22, 12, 42, 52. Next 5, 16, 18, 20, 99. Next sixth one, 80, 71, 61, 52. 7, 70, 81, 51, 37. 8, 10, 20, 40, 60. 9th, 70, 65, 55, 35. Last one, 12, 42, 24, 54. So I given 10 problems for you. Write ascending order of following numbers. While writing, write this with red pen. This write with red pen. Ascending order also red pen. Then write from smallest to biggest. తెలుగులో అయితే చిన్న నుండి పెద్ద, చిన్న నుండి పెద్ద. ఇంగ్లీష్లో అయితే ascending order, that is smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest. So write ascending order, then write the numbers. Write this question, write ascending order, 2 dots, then write. Like this, you do the homework up to 10 questions. After completing this homework, please send me photos in my WhatsApp group. Thank you.